congratulations to everyone, because you have made a great profit if you watched our yesterday video. We have predicted this drop absolutely perfectly, and as you can see right now we are very nicely recovering from our support zone at $35,000. And if you want to master this market, make sure that you are watching this video, because I will be telling you once again what will happen next with Bitcoin. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from My Crypto Paradise, and the move happened exactly as I've been describing yesterday. You know that these levels which I've been sharing with you, these red levels right here, that was the liquidation levels of crypto noobs, and also stop losses of their long positions, because they have been trying to long that support. And as I have been describing, because of the funding rates and the open interest just wasn't at place, the people who were trying to long the support zone were in majority. And as you know, the whales love to liquidate the majority of the people, because in this market 99% of people lose money. So what they have done, they have just pushed the Bitcoin a little bit, they hit these liquidation levels and their stop losses, and then as you can see the Bitcoin price plummeted exactly as expected, and now we are recovering absolutely beautifully from this support zone at $35,000. So let's discuss what will happen next. As you know, from this move we have also got a retest thanks to that of our bullish pennant descending trend line right here. I have been sharing that in the previous video as well. As you can see, I've been telling you that we need to retest the descending trend line, and this is exactly what happened. However, right now the move is slowing down. As you can see on a lower time frame, this previous support zone, by the time we have dropped, already turned into a resistance. So it is not a support anymore, now it is acting as a resistance. So I will turn this to red, and basically what we can expect from Bitcoin right now, if it's not going to reclaim this resistance today, we will be doing a zigzag moves in this new consolidation zone. Alright, so right now how to play this market, you know that we have been already with Paradise Family VIPs taking profits. You also know that we have been, well, you don't know yet, but we have been maximizing this dump with our Paradise Family VIPs. So we have made great 78% profit in our scalping channel on 25x leverage. However, what's next right now? You know also that in medium time frame we are targeting $43,000, but how we can get there, this is our medium time frame resistance, and we have been predicting this breakout of this bullish pennant formation, and we have been telling you the 38,000 resistance zone, which is keeping us from retesting that $43,000, will break on a third attempt. Yeah, third attempt. And if you can calculate with me, you know that we have been touching that once, we have been touching that twice. This doesn't count because it didn't touch our zone, so we are about to touch it for a third time. And I told you we need that noobish volume, we need to drop. This is exactly what happened. However, right now we are slowing down, so it means that this zone, which I have been also, if you are in our free Telegram channel, you have seen this update. I have been talking about it with our Paradise team, that we need this zone to be retested few times. Okay, and why it needs to be retested few times? So we can get as much fuel as possible, basically. Yeah, so right now we are recovering from this support zone, but we are slowing down a lot. So if we are not able today reclaim this resistance zone and close a daily candle above it, we expect this support zone to be retested one more time. Then we will form something like a double bottom formation, and we will be able to retest the $38,000. And as you can see on third, this is going to be the third attempt, right? And as I told you in our free Telegram channel, again, it was few days ago, yeah, we are expecting that to be broken on third attempt, and then we are about to go to $43,000. Yeah, so everything is planned. The whales are basically right now retesting 200 moving average, as you can see right here. This is the 200 moving average, and if it's not going to be reclaimed today and we will not be able to close a daily candle above this downward resistance zone, we will need to have another retest of this liquidity zone right here. We will need to form some bullish pattern formation. I expect some double bottom formation or something like that, and that will be our confirmation that we will be able to move to the upside. And if you want to play it like a professional, you will be waiting for some confirmation, and then you can easily open some long with safe stop loss, because you will be placing stop loss right below this wick to be absolutely safe, and you will be targeting that $38,000, right? So that would be on a lower time frame perspective. However, in medium time frame, we are expecting after this $38,000 will be broken, we are expecting the 43,000 mark to be hit. Right now, because the volume and volatility is going back to markets, and on these moves you can also make a great money on altcoins, not just on Bitcoin. And as you know, I've been sharing with you this Bitcoin dominance resistance zone. We are on a weekly time frame getting rejected very nicely, so we are going down. What does it mean? It basically means that the volume, the money in Bitcoin is flowing basically into altcoins, and we are expecting the Bitcoin dominance to drop to 42%, as you know. And the confirmation we get in order to be confident that the altcoin season is going to happen and it's going to be really huge, we get from total free. This is the crypto total market cap exclude Bitcoin and Ethereum, so basically pure market cap of altcoins. As you know, in the previous video I have been sharing with you this zone right here, which is basically an important Fibonacci retracement zone. We got rejected from it, we retested our support zone, and now we are ready to move to the upside. Our medium time frame target is $610 billion, so we will almost double the current market cap of altcoins. So you can imagine how great it's going to be. But it's not going to be an easy ride. It's not going to be just straight to the upside, right? The whales don't want most of the people to make money, so this is going to be very volatile ride. So you need to be able to ride the microwaves, right? So you need to be selling the tops, buying the bottoms cleverly. So you need to be watching the things most of the people are not watching, and one of the things is the funding rates. All right, let me just show you the funding rates. The funding rates are still quite positive right now. With the yesterday's shakeout, we have got rid most of the long positions. However, there is still some long positions that needs to be put down before we can go back to our $38,000. That is why we are not entering back in some day trade long on Bitcoin, because we are being conservative. We are very safe traders, all right? So we want to see some confirmations. We want to see that the Bitcoin is strong enough right now, that this liquidation hunt was enough. Until we reclaim this resistance, we are not yet opening Bitcoin long. So right now, you know exactly what we are expecting. We are expecting another push down to our liquidity zone at around $35,000. Once we get some confirmation from double bottom formation or any other bullish formation, we will be opening a long position targeting $38,000. As you know, on a third touch we expect that to be broken, and then we will be targeting $43,000. So the medium time frame still extremely bullish. The lower time frame is going to be a little bit volatile. We will most likely get another push to the downside just to liquidate a little bit more people, and then we will have enough volume, enough fuel to really break through the 38,000 resistance zone, and then the path to 43,000 is going to be absolutely easy. Thanks to the Bitcoin dominance actually dropping, some of the altcoins will not need to have the same movement as Bitcoin. That is why for altcoins you need to be doing some in-depth analysis, you need to be watching the on-chain data, etc. And you will be able to enter the altcoins which can actually detach from Bitcoin and move absolutely independently. So even though Bitcoin can have one more correction, to the $35,000. Some altcoins can keep moving to the upside, and we will be catching exactly these altcoins as we always do in Paradise Family VIP. Ladies and gentlemen, I have one more exciting news for you, because I've been already flashing this website, and this is actually a Bybit Trademaster Grand Prix Series 1 competition for $1 million USDT. There is only 6,000 participants, so you have a great chance to win if you will be following our alerts and analysis. And if you will be really good, you can win that 50,000 prize pool. Let me tell you something more about this. The events are actually two. If you are spot trading, you can basically register now until 28, and basically the campaign key points, there is 3 types of battlefields for 100k USDT prize pool. There is a large cap up to 70,000 USDT prize pool, layer 1 and layer 2 up to 15,000 USDT prize pool, web3 and meme coins up to 15,000 USDT prize pool. Any traders can join, no requirements for wallet balance, no trading bots, but some accounts cannot join. That's the only limitation here. And then if you are great with trading on leverage, you can join the Trademaster Grand Prix, and you can trade to compete for a 1 million prize pool, which is crazy. 500k prize pool for trading volume ranking and 500k prize pool for PNL ranking. Winner will have a chance to join the final competition happening next year, plus invited to an all expense paid trip to VIP Kala event. So if you like some fancy events, this competition is really for you. Minimum 5,000 account balance to join this derivative trading competition. So everybody with 5,000 capital can join and start trading right now. Below this video I will leave you a link, so you can just click it and then log in to this Trademasters Grand Prix Series 1 competition from Bybit. Of course, the better trader you are, the higher chance you have to win some great prizes, and if you are with us, I'm sure that you will be one of the greatest winners. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is everything from me. If you are not yet in our free Telegram channel, go click that link in the comments and join us for free. If you are ready to start trading like a professional and you want to destroy the Trademasters Grand Prix with us, I will see you in Paradise Family VIP. Cheers!